We need to have a conversation about XRP, and I think for the most part, it's over for a lot of people, and I really hate to say that. I'll explain why in a second. If you do enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe, and if you want to see all the plays I'm taking, I'll post them all on my IG. But without further ado, let me tell you why I think it's over for most people with XRP. For the longest time, I've sat here and I've made all these videos saying, buy XRP, long XRP, look out right here, watch, pay attention. Wake the fuck up. I've came to the realization in the last week after these dumps that we've had is that I can't do it. I can't wake any more people up. It's already, I think if people want to be waking up to XRP, they would have already been done already. Like, the most part, I think people are set in their ways, and I've come to this realization that people are about to miss out on generational money, and it is what it is. I'm making this video mainly just to document it. Like I said, I think, we're going to look back in 5 years, and it's going to be the biggest no-brainer, but isn't it crazy that people will sit here and buy a $100,000 Bitcoin, and they'll buy Ethereum, and BNB, and Zcash. They'll buy all the expensive shit, but they won't even spare a couple dollars on XRP. How mind-blowing is that? For the most part, the XRP hate is so tremendous. Like, people just sit there and laugh. Like, I got laughed at so much when I was talking about XRP going to 30 cents. I got laughed at every day. It's not gonna happen. You're crazy. You don't know what you're talking about. And then guess what? I was right. Like, I was extremely right. As a matter of fact, it was the best performing crypto asset in the top 10 for the last year. And I'm at this point now where we're sitting at $2 and we've already hit all-time high. And, I think the doubt is even higher than it was when we were at 30 cents, because there's genuinely people out there that think we've topped out at $3.60, and that is as high as we're gonna go. Guys, if that's you and you're in that boat, you are literally smoking dick. There is not a chance in hell that $3.60 is the top. I'm telling you right now, that is the biggest fucking no-brainer that we're gonna go higher. And if you're asking why, well, look at the acquisitions. Look at everything Ripple behind the scenes is doing, and they've been posting publicly for the last couple months. It's nuts. Acquisition after acquisition, raising billions of dollars to buy XRP. The company itself is valued at $40 billion. That's literally one of the most valuable companies in the world. It's top 100. That's fucking crazy. And people are gonna sit here and say, the cryptocurrency tied to everything is not gonna perform well. Like, you can't wake these people up. They're doomed. Like, they're cooked. So that's what I'm saying. I really do feel like we're at a point of no return. We're gonna be eating a lot in the next 6 months. I think for the most part, people are doomed. They're doomed. They're fucking cooked. You can't wake enough people up. They're all asleep. And guess what? It's the funniest shit ever. They won't buy XRP down here at $2. They wouldn't buy it at 30 cents. But you know what? At the very all-time high, even if it's $3.60, they'll be lining up out the fucking door to buy this shit. And you can't do anything about it. These people are fucking doomed. I really hope that if you're watching this, you're not one of those people, because you're holding one of the most valuable assets in the crypto space. And I hope you wake the fuck up, because dude, like, it's so exhausting saying it every day, but I sit here and I repeat myself over and over again. People are like, oh, you make the same video over and over. No shit. I literally sit here and wake up. My sole mission for the last 4 years of my life has been to wake up and tell you to buy XRP. And I don't get paid for this shit by Ripple. I'm not fucking sponsored by anybody. It's genuinely because I have such a deep belief in this company and this fucking coin that I genuinely, I deep down, I believe this with my whole soul, that this coin is going to print so many millionaires. It already has. And it's just going to get even fucking crazier. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know what your favorite coin is or what you're investing in right now. If you guys want to know my plan, it's literally just trading and stacking to my long-term bag of XRP. Like I said, all the trades have been taken on the Instagram. I've literally been taking all these profits and putting them right back in XRP. And I'm going to continue to do that shit for the very foreseeable future. Yeah, if you want to see more of these videos, leave a like, subscribe, and if you haven't bought XRP, at least look into it. It's about to be too late.